If your car's factory speakers sound dull, weak, or distorted the moment you turn up the volume, you're not alone. Many stock systems just can't deliver the clarity and punch most drivers want. In this review, you'll find out whether the Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch coaxial car speakers can fix that problem and upgrade your everyday driving experience. I've spent time with these speakers, and I'll share what they're really like in daily use so you know if they're worth it. And once you are done watching, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check the links in the description to find the best deals on these speakers. When you first install these speakers and hit play, the difference compared to factory speakers is immediately noticeable. Instead of muddy sound, you start hearing clearer vocals and sharper instrument separation. You'll notice that even at moderate volume levels, music feels more alive. The silk dome tweeter really helps bring out the high frequencies without sounding harsh or piercing. That means cymbals, vocals, and guitar details sound crisp but still smooth enough for long drives. As you keep listening, the mid-range becomes the part you appreciate most. Voices in podcasts and music feel fuller and more natural, which is something a lot of entry-level speakers struggle with. Even when you turn the volume up, these speakers hold their clarity surprisingly well. One thing you'll quickly realize is that these speakers feel more powerful than typical budget upgrades. The ferrite magnet and solid build help deliver stronger sound output, and the sensitivity makes them easier to drive with most factory stereos. In real-world use, that means you get louder, cleaner sound without necessarily needing an amplifier. Another standout feature is the balance. Instead of exaggerated bass or overly bright highs, you get sound that feels balanced enough for many different music genres. If you're someone who wants a clear upgrade from factory speakers without building a full aftermarket audio system yet, these are a great fit. They work especially well for drivers who want better clarity, louder sound, and a more enjoyable commute without complicated installs. After spending time with them, you'll likely feel like your car audio finally has the clarity it should have had from the start. If you're considering these speakers, check the link in the description to find the best deals. And before you go, subscribe for more car audio reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about these speakers or if you've tried them in your own car.